now going to solve equations. When there is an equal sign, it means that we can do things a little bit faster and easier. All right, because we can do it the same way we've been doing it and get a common denominator and multiply this by 4 and this by 4 and this by 3 and this by 3 and get 4/12 plus 3x over 12 equals 2, which gives me 4x plus, or sorry, 4 plus 3x over 12 equals 2. Multiply each side by 12 and by 12, and I get 4x plus 3 equals 24.
3x plus 4.
So 3x equals 20. So x is going to equal not 3/20, 20/3. Or I can say my common denominator would be 12. So I'm going to multiply everything by 12. So I can say 12 times 1/3 plus 12 times x over 4 equals 12 times 2. So 1/3 of 12 is 4 plus 3x equals 24. Oh, look, just by multiplying through, I already got to this part down here, right? 20 over 3. Now, here, anytime I have an x that is in the denominator, I have to step to check for extraneous solutions. That means I need to say, in this case, my x cannot equal 0. So if I get an answer that equals 0, it can't really exist. Nothing that I get can be there. All right, what is my common denominator for this one?
15x.
So when I multiply 15x times 1/3, I get 5x. When I do 15x times 4x, I get 15 times 4 because my x's cancel, so that's plus 60 equals. When I multiply it times that, 15 divided by 5 is 3, so 3x times 2 is 6x minus 5x plus 5x. And I get my x equals 60. D is 0. So it's a good answer. We can keep it. What is my common denominator for the next one?
18x. Nope, 6x.
So 6x. You don't have to repeat them if they're in all of them. So 6x. So 6x divided by 3x gives me 2. 2 times 2 is 4. The 6 cancel and I just get x. And then times the last one, x divided by 3x is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. So minus 4, x equals 4. Oh, x could not equal what?
0.
Is 4 0? No, so that's a good
No.
answer.